Hi my dear students, in the last class we have completed additions of algebraic expressions and so we have completed some problems in our hand sheet. So we will discuss subtractions of algebraic expressions. I told you when I was explaining additions of algebraic expressions, the additions and the subtractions are the same. There is no difference between addition and subtraction. Why it is same? For example, I am giving a question to you in a simple way. 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 is equal to this is called we are called this is a subtraction. 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. We are thinking there is a symbol between the two numbers, that means this is a minus, that means subtraction. For example, if you, the same problem like this. For example, 5 plus of minus 7 is equal to dash. The same problem. For example, 5 plus of minus 7 is equal to dash. This answer is minus 2. For example, if you solve this problem, we are using the symbol for we are using the multiplication symbol between plus and minus. Why? Because we have a bracket. The meaning of the 5 plus of minus 7 is also 5 minus 7. Actually, here the between 5 and 7 there is a symbol minus. That means we are thinking subtraction. Here the symbol between 5 and minus 7 is plus. That means it is addition. It is addition. So we have to know the one point. The point is that between the symbol plus and minus and the meaning, the additions of the algebraic expressions and the subtractions of the algebraic expressions are same. Same. There is no difference. For example, this is the way. 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 7. If you subtract 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. 5 plus of minus 7 is equal to minus 2. Here the symbol between the numbers is plus. We are thinking it is addition. The symbol between the numbers is minus. We are thinking this is a subtraction. When we are doing addition and subtraction, we are following the same rules. For example, I am telling you in additions of algebraic expressions, first we have to see whether the given terms are like or unlike. If they are like, we can do the addition. If they are unlike, we can't do anything, we just write the same. The same way, in the subtractions also, if they are the like terms, we can do the subtraction. We can do the subtraction. For example, 7a minus 5a is equal to 2a. 5x cube minus 2x cube is equal to 3x cube. 10x cube plus 5x cube is equal to 15x cube. So, here 10x cube and 5x cube are the like terms, we can add. The same way, we can subtract. We can subtract. We can do the subtractions for only unlike terms. So like terms, we can do the subtractions for like terms. If you are having the unlike terms, we don't do the subtraction. We just write as it is. For example, I am telling you x cube minus x square. X cube minus x square. If you observe these two terms, the first term is x cube and the second term is x square. X cube and x square are unlike terms. Unlike terms. So we can't do anything. Some of the students are thinking like this. X cube minus x square is equal to x. X cube minus x square is equal to x. That is absolutely wrong. That is absolutely right. We can do the addition as well as the subtraction. We can do for only like terms. We cannot do the addition and the subtraction for unlike terms. Addition aina subtraction aina like terms matrame cheyaгаlam. Unlike terms మనం చేయలేము. Okay, we have learned this topic in 7th class. So if you subtract the two algebraic expressions, so we are using two methods. Either the first one is column method and the second one is row method. We have learnt very well in the 7th class syllabus. I will give you some problems. I will explain some problems in subtractions of algebraic expressions. So be careful students. I am explaining addition and subtraction. The rules for the addition and subtraction is only two. Those are, the first one is if you have the like terms, you can add or subtract. As your wish, you can do. Either the problem is addition, you can do the addition. Either the problem is subtraction, you can do the subtraction. If you have the unlike terms, we can't do anything. We just leave that. We just leave that. Leave that means we have write as it is. What they are given, write there as it is. For example, I am giving the subtraction. The first problem. Subtract 5x cube minus 3x square plus 5 from, subtract the expression 5x cube minus 3x square plus 5 from the another expression is 8x cube minus 2x square minus 4. They are giving, you can do the subtraction. We have to subtract the second expression from the first expression. The first expression, we can do the first expression from the second expression. That means we have to subtract this one, first one, from 2. That means we can do the 2 minus 1. So in this way, first of all, we can do write the second expression 8x cube minus 2x square minus 4, and the first expression is 5x cube minus 3x square plus 5. We can do the subtraction for these two types. Subtraction. When we are doing the subtraction, we have to change the signs of second expression. Second expression, symbols we have to change. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So now we are subtracting. Actually, this number 5 has this plus 5. So, but we are doing in subtraction. We have to change the symbols of the second expression. That's why the plus becomes minus. Here minus becomes plus. Plus becomes minus. Now you are subtracting. 8 minus 5 is 3. This is 3x cube. Here minus 2 plus 3 is 1x square. The same way, minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. This is the way of subtraction. If you observe one thing, students, here once here minus 4 minus 5. Actually, we have the two numbers. Two are having same symbol, minus 4 minus 5. When we are seeing the symbol for negative minus, we are thinking this is the subtraction. But here we did addition. Minus 4 plus 5 is 9. The symbol is minus. The answer for the question is 3x cube plus x square minus 9. Are you okay? Note down this problem in your CW. And I am explaining one more problem in row method. This is the column method. Column method means we have to write one by one. So when we are writing one by one, we have to write the in order. That means like terms order. X cube between down x cube, x square, constant and constant. Are you okay? So here we are getting 3x cube plus x square minus 9. So can we add 3x cube plus x square? 3x cube plus x square. We can't. Why? Because 3x cube and x square are unlike terms. So do you know the meaning of like and unlike terms? Yes, we know. Like term means like and unlike means they are compared by the variable. If first of all we have to see the variable. If the variable is equal, now see the exponent. If the variable is equal and exponents also equal, then they are like terms. Okay, if you observe here, x and x is the variable, okay, the powers are 3, 2, they are not equal, then 3x cube and x square are unlike terms. We cannot add the unlike terms, that's why I am giving and leaving as it is, that is 3x cube plus x square. Okay, now subtraction. Subtract, I am giving one more problem. A square minus AB plus B square from A square minus B square. We have to subtract second expression, first expression from second expression. 2 minus 1. So we are doing this problem in column method, row method. The second expression is A square minus B square. We have to subtract from this is a square minus ab plus b square. We have to subtract these two. When we are doing the subtraction, we have to multiply every term with minus. That means this is a square minus b square. Now multiply. Plus into minus minus, it becomes minus a square. Minus into minus plus, this is ab. plus into minus minus, this is b square. Have you observed this, students? I think you have understand. I think you have learned very well in the 7th class. That's why I am going in a fast way. So here multiplying plus into minus minus a square minus ab minus into minus plus ab plus into minus minus minus. If you observe here, actually a square has plus, it becomes minus. If you have minus, it becomes plus. It has plus, it becomes minus. So that means when we are doing the subtraction, the second expression has the symbols are changed. That's why we are changing the symbols in column method. Now we are doing it. So we can write in our here a square plus a square are cancelled. So minus b square is minus 2b square plus ab. This is the subtraction. So subtract, I'm giving the conclusion for subtraction is nothing but an addition. Subtraction ante addition. So when we are having the same symbols, we are doing addition. When we have the negative symbols, we are doing subtraction. So in addition, we are doing the subtraction. In the subtraction, we are doing addition. That's why I am telling you, additions and the subtractions of the algebraic expressions are same. So addition and the subtraction are depending upon their symbols. This is the subtraction of algebraic expression. We have to check, is there any problems of the subtraction of algebraic expressions in our hand sheet. We have to check. So if you check in our textbook hand sheet 4, there is no subtraction sums. No subtraction from up to 15 sums. Everything is addition, and the 14th and 15th problems are the combination of addition and subtraction. I will explain in the later. But there is no subtraction sums in our textbooks. When we are writing the notes, I am giving you, I am explaining two problems. One is for column method, one is for row method. When we are writing the notes, write two more examples. One is for column method, one is for row method. You have to take the problems in your own way, own thinking. Okay, write the notes for the two. So additions are completed, subtractions are completed. Now move on to the multiplications. Multiplications is the most important for algebraic expressions. I am explaining multiplications. So am I erasing the board? So now we are doing multiplications of algebraic expressions. That is it. Multiplications of algebraic. Multiplications is very easy. So I am going forward. The first one is, I am giving you be careful students. Look at the board, observe the video. So observe each and every point and listen what I am explaining. Listen on. We have to focus on my words and the board. So be careful. I am giving you. First of all, I am explaining monomial by monomial. Monomial means it has only one term. An algebraic expression contains only one term is called monomial. An algebraic expressions contain two terms is binomial. An algebraic expression contains three terms is trinomial. An algebraic expression contains more than three terms is multinomial. Already we know this. So I am explaining first of all monomial by monomial. First side heading is monomial by monomial. I am explaining first thing is monomial by monomial. Monomial by monomial means one term into one term. One term into one term. In that way, the first problem is 4x cube into x. X, okay. Not x, I am giving you somehow easy, that is 2x. We have to multiply two monomials. Monomial by monomial. 4x cube is a monomial. 2x is also a monomial. Now we are multiplying monomial into monomial. When we are doing multiplication of monomials or algebraic expressions, we can do the important things are, we can multiply number into number, that means number into number, and actually the first step is symbol into symbol. We have to multiply the symbols first. Plus into plus, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus into plus, like that. And the numbers, we have to multiply numbers with numbers. And the third one is variables with variables. That means the same variables with the same variables. That means x with x, x with x, y with y. So we can follow these steps for doing multiplications of algebraic expression. We have to multiply symbol into symbol, number into number, x into x, y into y. If there are different variables, if x and y, we just write the side by side. That means x into y is equal to x. Like that. Okay. Now we are doing the first way. The symbols. 4x cube has the plus symbol, 2x has the plus symbol. Plus into plus is equal to plus, no need to write plus. The next numbers. 4 into 2 are 8. 4 2s are 8. Now here x cube into x, both are common x. X is the variable. The power of x is here 3 terms, here 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. The answer for the problem, 4x cube into 2x is equal to 8x to the power of 4. Okay, and some more problems. That is minus 4 ab square into 8ab. We can do this one. Minus 4 ab square, minus 4 ab square. This is a monomial, and 8ab, this is also monomial. This time we are multiplying both. Minus 4ab square into 8ab. Now we are multiplying. First symbols. Here minus and here plus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. 4 8s are 32. Did you understand like this? Did you understand? So first number into number. Minus 4 into 8 is equal to minus 32. And then letters. The first letter is A. Here A. A into A is A square. Here B square into B is B cube. B square into B is equal to B cube. How it is? First of all, A, the variable A is a common. Here A power 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. The same way, B, I am writing B. Here 2, here there is no number means we know very well about exponents. Here 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the answer is minus 32 A square B cube. Are you okay, my dear students? I am writing some more things, some more expressions. Third one is, for example, they are giving x square y cube z into minus x square yz. We have to multiply monomial with monomial. Now, solution. First symbols, here plus, here minus. Plus into minus is minus. There is no numbers. There is no number. Actually, we have 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That's why we are leaving 1. That means there is no number. Now we are multiplying here. X square here. Here x square. Now we are multiplying. X square into x square. The x is the common. The variables exponents are 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. The same way. Here y. Y is the common. Here 3 plus 1. 4 is y power 4. The same way. Z is the common. Here 1, there 1. So yz square. This is the answer. So minus x to the power of 4, y power 4, z square is the answer. Are you okay, my dear students? I hope you have understand the multiplications of monomial with monomial. For example, if you have the fractions, for example, I am explaining one more problem with fractions. That is 3 by 4 x square into 5 by 3 y square. If you want to multiply these two terms, the same process. First symbols, next numbers, then next letters. So now we are doing here 3 by 4 has plus, 5 by 3 has plus, plus into plus is equal to plus. Now we are multiplying numbers. 3 by 4 I am writing one step for you. 3 by 4 into 5 by 3 into here x square, there is no term, just write the x square here. Here y square, there is no term, there is no y term, so y square. Now 3 are cancelled. This is 5 by 4 into x square y square. This is the answer. So whether we have the fractions or decimal numbers or the negative numbers or the positive numbers, we have to follow the step. The first step is symbol into symbol, and the next one number into number, then x variables into x variables, y variables into y variables. If x variables have in the first term, there is no in the second term, write as it is what we have. Are you okay, my dear students? Note down the monomial by monomial. Note down. Okay, now so we have completed monomial by monomial. Now move on to monomial by binomial. Now I am giving this time, I am explaining the second method is monomial by binomial. Second side heading, monomial by binomial. When we are writing the notes, I was explained 4 examples. We have to write one more example, fifth example for you. You have to take the 2 monomials and multiply yourself. Then you have to keep the heading monomial by monomial. I kept the 2 headings inside by side. Don't keep in your notes. Don't keep the side headings inside by side. Write down. After the 5th example, you can write. Now we are doing monomial by binomial. The problem, sir. For example, I am taking 4x is the monomial. 4x is the monomial. We should multiply 4x with binomial is x square plus y. So I am taking my own examples. The 4x is the monomial. We can multiply 4x with x square plus y. X square plus y is the binomial. Monomial means an algebraic expression contains one term. Binomial means an algebraic expression contains more than one term. So not more than one term, it has 2 terms. 2 terms is called binomial. Now we have to multiply 4x with x square plus y. For example, before going to the monomial binomials, do you know how to multiply 2 with 43? 2 into 43. Can we multiply 2 into 43? Yes, we can. How can we? First of all, 2 into 3, we are doing 2 3s are 6. And the next step is we are doing 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. The same way, in the place of 2 we have 4x, in the place of 43 we have x square plus y. X square is 4, x square is 4 here, y is 3. We can do the same. First of all, in these multiplications we have to follow the old rules. The rules are we have to multiply symbol with symbol, number with number. The same way, don't forget the rules of monomial by monomial. Monomial, I was explaining the rules of monomial by monomial. It is applicable for everything, every multiplications. So now we are doing. The meaning of the question is we have to multiply 4x into x square first. That means like this. 2 into 3, 6. I am doing 4x into x square. In between the symbol is plus. We have plus. The same way. The second term 4x into y. You understand? First of all, 4x into x square plus 4x into y. Now I multiply. Here symbol plus, plus into plus is plus. Here 4. X into x square is x cube plus here 4. X into y is xy. This is the answer. 4x cube plus 4xy. So if anybody is thinking 4 plus 4 is 8, x square into x power 4, why? That is wrong. Why? Because in between the 2 symbols we have a plus symbol. We have connected the 2 symbols with plus. That is called algebraic expression. Are you okay? Now I am writing the second example. That is, for example, if you have x square y into, we have to multiply with x minus y. X minus y. So monomial with binomial. How can we multiply? That is The meaning that is x square into y into what is the term we have? X. The first term is x. So in between the symbols we have minus because plus into minus is minus. Now again we are taking the second polynomials x square y into y. X square y into y. Now we are multiplying. Here symbol plus, plus into plus plus. X square into x is x cube. The letter y. We are multiplying x square into x is x square into x is x cube. So there is no y term. We just write the y term. The symbol y. Here we have x square y into y is y square. Y into y is y square. So I am writing the third example for monomial into binomial is minus ABC into a square plus b square. A square plus b square. If you solve this problem, so now we are writing in a simple way, that is ABC into the first term is a square into, sorry, not into, we have the symbol between us plus, so plus here minus ABC into b square. Minus ABC into b square. Now multiply. Minus here plus, plus into minus, minus a here a square. A into a square is a cube. The letters are BC. The same. Plus into minus is minus a. Here b into b square is b cube. There is a letters. This is the answer. This I will explain again once here. Here minus plus, plus into minus is minus a square into a into a square is a cube. We have BC. There is no terms of BC, so write BC as it is. Here plus into minus is minus a into a is the common. There is no a term. Here b into b square is b cube c. So minus a cube bc minus a b cube c. This is the answer of the sum. So this is the way of multiplication of monomial by binomial. Monomial with binomial, that means monomial into first term. The symbol is depending upon the question. So if we have the plus, we are write plus. So monomial into second term, we are getting three questions. We have to write two more questions as our wish. As our wish, write two more questions here. So then complete the heading monomial by monomial. When you are writing the notes, write two more examples in your own way. So now the third method is, this is important, that is binomial by binomial. Third one is binomial by binomial. So the first one is 1 into 1, one term into one term. Second, 1 into 2 terms. This time 2 terms into 2 terms. So after this, I won't explain the trinomial into trinomial. So we have to write that. For example, if you solve binomial into binomial, so we can solve the trinomial into trinomial. The same way, the process is the same. The multiplication and the symbols and the terms are the different. So we have to focus on binomial into binomial. I am writing. The first example is here. A square minus b square binomial into, I am writing a plus b. This is the question. Binomial a square minus b square, it has 2 terms, so it is a binomial. Plus a plus b, this is also binomial. So I am explaining in the numbers. For example, we have 23 into 31. 23 into 31. How can we multiply 23 into 31? So we should start from 1. We are multiplying 1 with 3. The same way 1 with 2. Am I right? 1 into 3 is 3. So 1 into 2 is 2. We are writing like that. The same way, the next step we can multiply with 3. 3 into 3 and 3 into 2. We are writing here 3 3s are 9 here. 3 2s are 6. Then we are adding the answers. Am I right? When we are doing the multiplications of 2 terms, 2-digit numbers, doing like the first term into first term and the first into second, second into first and second into second. you are applying the same method for you. Here this is the first term in the first one, second, first, second. So we are writing first into first and first into second. The same way, second into first, again second into second. We are following. Be careful, students. Look at the board. Here a square into the first term a. Okay. So again plus here symbol a square into first term completed. Again first term into second term into b. Again we have plus. Here we should multiply with b square here, second term, minus b square into the first term a. Are you following? Again plus the third term, second term, minus b square into b. I hope you understand. Again I will explain you. That is, once look here. Here, for example, 1, this is 2. Here 1, this is 2. First of all, we should multiply 1 with 1. That's why a square into a. Again 1 with 2. So our rules is 1 1 1 1 third 1 2 third after that 2 1 2 2. This is the way. So 1 1 first term into first term into second term into first term, second term into second term. That's why. So 1 into 1 a square into a plus first into second a square into b plus second into 1 minus b square into a plus minus b square into b. Now we are multiplying. That means we are getting 4 times. 4 are monomial into monomial. We can multiply easily. That means a square into a is a cube plus a square into b is a square b. Here symbols plus into minus b square into a is ab square. Here plus into minus b square. So actually b square into b is b cube. So is there any like terms for this question? Here a cube, there is no like term. A square b, no like term. A b square, no term. So this is the answer. This is the way of multiplication of binomial by binomial. So we will discuss some more formulas. Those are p square plus q square. So you should multiply with p cube minus q cube. P square plus q square into p cube minus q cube. This is the binomial by binomial. First term, second term, first term, second term. So we can do the process. I think already we know that how can we do the process. We can do. So that is solutions. The first term here p square into here the first term is p cube plus here the first term is p square into here the first term into second term, that is minus q cube. The same way plus here the second term q square into here the first term p cube plus here the second term q square into here the second term minus q cube. Minus q cube. Have you understand this? Look this. First term into first term plus first term into second term plus second term into first term plus second term into second term. Now we are simplifying. That is it. P square into p cube is p power 5. Here plus into minus p square into q cube is p square q cube. Here plus p cube into q square is p cube q square. Here plus into minus q square into q cube is q power 5. So have to observe, is there any like terms? Here p power 5, there is no p power 5. P square q cube, there is no. Q cube p square, no. Q power 5. This is the answer. This is the answer. Are you okay, my dear students? This third problem I am giving you, you have to solve. When you are watching this video, send me the answers to me. Okay? The question is, I am using your textbook. So no. You can do. That is 4x plus 7 into 3x plus 5. You can do this one. you can do this problem and send me the answers to me. So I am giving you the hint. So first term, second term, first term, second term. So first term into first term into second term into first term, second term into second term. This is the problem you have to solve and send me the answers to me. Are you okay, my dear students? After the third problem, do one more problem. You have to give the problem and you have to solve the answer. So send me that problem also to me. So fourth problem you have to do. Give your own way. Give your one problem to you and solve the problem. Are you okay, my dear students? So up to now, what we have discussed. The first one is monomial by monomial, monomial by binomial, binomial by binomial. If you go to the next method, binomial by trinomial. After that, trinomial by trinomial, trinomial by multinomial, multinomial by multinomial. Wherever and whatever the method and wherever the problems. So we have to observe one thing. The rules are the important. The first rule is we have to multiply symbol into symbol and the next number into number and the same variables, and the last thing is different variables. If you know the multiplications of the numbers, we can do easily the multiplications of algebraic expressions. So after the third heading binomial, I am not giving the headings, but I will give the problems of the next step is trinomial by trinomial. I am giving 3 terms by 3 terms. How can we solve? 3 terms by 4 terms, 3 terms by 5 terms, 4 terms with 5 terms, 5 terms with 5 terms. How can we can discuss some more problems in this multiplications of algebraic expressions. Have you understand, students? Okay, I will erase the board. So the problems. This time I am taking a different problem. That is first one. For example, I am taking like this: 4x plus 5. This is the binomial. I am multiplying 4x plus 5 with x square minus 4x plus 5. Observe this. Observe the problem. This is binomial by trinomial. I am not keeping the heading. I am not keeping heading. Binomial by trinomial, trinomial into trinomial. I am not keeping the headings. But the way is, we have to think in our brain. This is binomial 2 times. This is the trinomial 3 times. Now we are multiplying binomial with trinomial. But we can solve. How it is? The same way. First, we should multiply 4x with every term. Every term is x square, 4x, and also 5. And after that, we should multiply 5 with every term. So that means I am writing here 4. I am writing one step: 4x into x square minus 4x plus 5. That means the first term into whole. The same way, plus 5 into whole, x square minus 4x plus 5. Now we are multiplying. Here number 4, x into x square. So I am writing directly. I am not writing 4x into x square plus again 4x into. I am writing the first. This is the first problem. That's why I am writing. After that I won't write. I won't write here 4x into x square plus here first term into first term into second term, first term into third term. The same way 4x into minus 4x plus 4x into 5. The same way here plus 5 into x square plus 5 into minus 4x plus 5 into 5. Now we are here. Now here 4 x into x square is x cube minus 4 4s are 16. X into x is x square. Have observed? Plus first of all symbol plus into minus minus 4 4s are 16 x into x square. Here plus 4 5s are 20 into x 20x plus there 5 into x square is 5x square minus 20 into x is 20x. There 5 5s are 25. So we have to find is there any like terms. X cube here there is no like term. So we are writing 4x cube. Now x squares. Here minus 16, here plus 5. That is minus 11. So minus 11 x square. 20 plus 20x minus 20x are cancelled. The last term is 25. This is the way of multiplication of binomial by trinomial. So this time we will do trinomial by trinomial. Trinomial by trinomial. I am taking a different problem, that is a plus b plus c into, I am taking trinomial. Trinomial this time or multinomial. Whatever I am writing, we have to observe. A cube minus b cube minus c cube plus 3abc. We are doing this problem, that is trinomial by multinomial, whatever the terms, either monomial or binomial, but we have to focus on the method, then we can get the answer. So now we are doing here, that means a into whole, b into whole, c into whole. Again multiplication, we are getting some more thing, some more means some more big problem, so we can do directly. First step only we can write a into here a cube minus b cube minus c cube plus 3abc plus b into a cube minus b cube minus c cube plus 3abc plus c into a cube minus b cube minus c cube plus 3abc. If you observe here, what I wrote, a into whole plus b into whole plus c into whole. In the next step, I am doing direct multiplication. So I am not writing a into a normal number. A into a cube is a power 4 minus a into b cube is ab cube minus a into c cube is ac cube plus 3 a into a is a square bc plus here a b into a cube is a cube b minus b square in b into b cube is b power 4 minus b into c cube is bc cube plus into plus plus 3 a not there b into b square c. Now I am multiplying with c. A cube into c is a cube c minus c into b cube is b cube c minus c cube into c is c power 4 plus 3 a b c into c is c square. Have observed students? Just I am multiplying every term. Here I am explaining a into a cube a power 4 minus a into b cube ab cube minus a into c cube ac cube plus 3 into a square bc plus a cube into b a cube b minus b into b cube b power 4 minus b into c cube bc cube plus 3 into a b into b square c. Now here a cube into c a cube c minus b cube into c b cube c minus c cube into c power 4 plus 3 a b c c square. Now we are simplifying. This is a power 4. Here a b cube. How to find, is there any a b cube? A b cube. There is no. That's why I am writing here a b cube. Minus I am getting ac cube. Is there any ac cubes? No, not there. So we are writing ac cube. So just wait. Here a square bc. There is no a square bc. A cube b. Is there any a cube b? Not there. Here b power 4. Is there any? No. bc cube? Not there. 3ab square? Not there. A cube c? Not there. BQC not there, C power 4 not there, 3ABC not there. That means this is our answer. That means there is no like terms, so we cannot add, we cannot subtract. This is the answer of this problem. Okay, I am giving you one problem for homework. The problem is third one. That is 2x minus 3 into 2x cube minus 5x square plus 7x plus 5. You can do this problem for homework. Okay, whenever solving this problem, if you get the answer, send the pic to me. Okay, thank you my dear students. So we have completed multiplication of algebraic expressions. In the next video, we can go to the problems which are in our handsheet. Okay, thank you.